Good morning students, welcome back to Shaba Group of Schools online class. In the previous class we have studied binomial theorem. Let us continue the same exercise today, 2.6. And before that, listen, the coefficients. In the lower class we have studied what is coefficient of x cube in this polynomial. That is coefficient of x cube is 2. And coefficient of x square is minus 3 and coefficient of x is 1 and constant term, this is what? Constant term is minus 5. So we may say the constant term as x power 0, the coefficient of x power 0. Since x power 0 is 1, isn't it? X power 0 is 1. So we may say constant term as coefficient of x power 0 or independent of x term or independent of x term or coefficient of x power 0. Okay, constant term நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம், independent of x term or coefficient of x power 0 term அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Okay, and listen your book, page number 77, fifth sum. Find the term independent of x in the expansion of. 3 subdivisions are given. Now let us see the third subdivision, that is 2x square plus 1 by x whole power 12. First write the assumption. What is x here? Here x is 2x square and a is 1 by x and n is 12. Okay, next write the general term formula. The general term formula is T r plus 1 equal to NCr x power n minus r into a power r. So it is equal to substituting the values of x, a and n is 12, 12cr and a is 2x square power n minus r, that is 12 minus r into a is 1 by x power r. So 12cr, so here n minus r, listen, 2 power 12 minus r into x power 2 into 12 minus r. Okay, 2 into 12 minus r and by x power r. So 12cr 2 power 12 minus r into x power 2 into 12, 24 minus 2r, and take this x power r to the numerator, we get minus r, isn't it? Plus r becomes minus r. So it is equal to 12cr 2 power 12 minus r into x to the power 24 minus 3r. Okay, this is the, we want independent of x means we have to equate x power to 0. This is our x power, that is 24 minus 3r. We equating this to 0, we get r value. Okay. Since independent of x term, isn't it? So we have to equating the power of x, that is 24 minus 3r to 0. We get 24 is equal to 3r and r is equal to 24 by 3, we get r is equal to 8. Substituting 8 here, where mark it as equation number 1. This is r plus 1, isn't it? Substituting in 1, we get our first equation becomes T8 plus 1, that is T9 plus 12C8 and 2 power 12 minus 8 into x to the power what? 24 minus 3, 8s are 24. So 24 minus 24, 0. This is equal to 12C8, 2 power 12 minus 4 is 4. And expanding this, we get 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 by, we replace this by 12C4 into 2 power 4, isn't it? 12C4 because by the property NCR equal to NCn minus R. NCn minus R. Using this property we get 12 minus 8 becomes 12C4. 12C4 into 2 power 4, that is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 2 power 4 becomes 16. Okay. Now these two gets cancelled. Here divide by 2 we get 8 here. Understood? So multiplying we get 7920. Understood this? Let us see sixth one. Prove that the term independent of x in the expansion of x plus 1 by x whole power 2n is 1, 3, 5 etc. up to 2n minus 1 into 2 power n by n factorial. We have to prove the constant term or independent of x term is this. Okay. Listen. First, this is same as fifth one and also it's very important sum. 2.6 fully important as well 2.5 also, because 5 mark sums taken from these two exercises 2.5 and 2.6. Then consider the given expansion, that is x plus 1 by x whole power 2n. Okay. Write the assumption. Assumption is x is x, a is 1 by x and n is 2n. Next write the general term. General term is TR plus 1 equal to NCR x power n minus r into a power r. So substituting here, n is 2n. So we have to find r. So n is 2n. 2n CR into x is x. X power n minus r, that is 2n minus r. Okay. Into a is 1 by x power r. So we get 2n CR x power 2n minus r into 1 by x power r. Now bring this x power r to the numerator. We get our left hand side is TR plus 1 is equal to 2n CR x power 2n minus r and minus r, that is 2n CR x power 2n minus 2r. Now this is our first equation. So to find the independent of x, we have to equate this power to 0. So since independent of x means 2n minus 2r equal to 0, 2n equal to 2r and n is equal to r. Substituting this in first equation, we get tn plus 1. Tn plus 1 is equal to 2n cn and x to the power 2n minus 2r, that is 0. So we get 2n cn. So this is independent of x, so x term will not come. And expanding this 2n cn, we know the formula NCR is what? NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Using this here 2n factorial, because two terms, so put the bracket and factorial in the denominator. This is n factorial into 2n minus n factorial, that is 2n factorial into n factorial into n factorial. Okay. Now expanding this 2n factorial, we know n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 etc. up to 2 into 1. So similarly we write 2n factorial as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3, 2n minus 4 etc. up to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by n factorial into n factorial. Now listen, this is even, is it? 2n is even. So alternate or even numbers. Is it 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, 4, 2. So separate even terms and odd terms. So 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, etc. up to 4 into 2. This is even terms. And odd numbers are 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, etc. up to 3 into 1. These are the even numbers, these are the odd numbers, and divide by n factorial into n factorial. Now take 2 outside from each term. First term take 2 and second term take 2 outside, we get n minus 1 here, and here take 2 outside, we get n minus 2, and here 2 into 2, here 2 into 1. So taking 2 in all the terms, we get 2 power n. There are n terms here. Okay, 2 into 1 to 2 into n. So there are n terms. So collect all 2's, we get 2 power n into n minus 1 into, this is n minus 2 into, etc. up to 2 into 1. And this one, that is 2n minus 1, sorry, into 2n minus 3 up to 3 into 1 by n factorial into n factorial. Listen, this is 2 power n, and this is what? This is n factorial, isn't it? n factorial into, and write in bracket reverse order. That is 1 into 3 into 5 into etc. up to 2n minus 1 by n factorial into n factorial. Or n factorial, 1 n factorial gets cancelled, and write the remaining one, that is 1 into 3 into 5 etc. up to 2n minus 1 into 2 power n, this 2 power n by n factorial. Hence proved. Understood? Next, let us see 7th one. Show that the middle term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 2n is 1 into 3 into 5 into etc. up to 2n minus 1 into 2 power n into x power n by n factorial. This is same as 6th sum. Just we multiply x power n in all the terms. We get the answer. First same. First write the given expansion and write the assumptions. Here x is 1, a is x and n is 2n, and write the general term formula. General term formula is this, substituting 2ncr 1 power 2n minus r into a is here x is it, x power r. That is 2ncr x power r. Okay, 1 power 2n minus 1 becomes 1, and this is tr plus 1, and this is our first equation. Next, to find the middle term. Okay, here n is what? N is 2n, isn't it? 2n means clearly it is even. Okay, even. So only one middle term, that is, the middle term is what? Middle term is t n by 2 plus 1, that is t 2n by 2 plus 1, that is t n plus 1. Okay, t n plus 1. So to find t n plus 1, we put r is equal to n, isn't it? To find t n plus 1, put r is equal to n only. Just subtracting 1 from this, we get r is equal to n. So substituting in first equation we get, so our first equation becomes t n plus 1 is equal to 2ncn and x to the power n. We expanding this, we get this one. The same thing what we have done in 6th sum. Same thing, listen, 2n factorial by n factorial into 2n minus n, that is n factorial, into x power n. Now we expanding this 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, etc. up to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by n factorial into x power n. Here also now separating even numbers and odd numbers. Tn plus 1 is equal to 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4, etc. up to 4 into 2 into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, etc. up to 3 into 1 by n factorial into n factorial. Here 1 x power n also there, which is equal to, taking 2 outside from all the terms in the even numbers, we get 2 power n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, etc. up to 2 into 1 into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, etc. up to 1 into x power n by n factorial into n factorial. So 2 power n into, this is what? This is n factorial into this, write in reverse order, that is 1 into 3 into etc. into 5, etc. up to 2n minus 1, you write last term only, into x power n by n factorial into n factorial. Now n factorial gets cancelled. We get 1 into 3 into 5, etc. up to 2n minus 1 into x power n into 2 power n by n factorial. So I write first 2 power n and then write x power n also. These two are same only. For given answer we write this like this, 2 power n into x power n. We get the answer, isn't it? Hence the result. Hence proved also. Understood? The 7th sum also very important. I hope you all understood today's class. Revise all the examples also. Do the homework sent by 5 p.m. Thank you, students.